This is just a short video on TCT saw blade. This is a multi-purpose disc, so as you can read, it says steel, aluminium, wood, and what I'm trying to cut here is just a 45mm of the Mildsteel, and we will see if it is capable of cutting through the 45mm diameter of Mildsteel. Safety on. Let's go. Wow, amazing. Look at the surface finish, and it's not even that much hot. It's warm but not as hot. Very good. I had a mini lathe. I didn't want to use a groving tool to cut this off, and it was a lot faster on this Mitre Saw, and very impressive. My fear was to it might grab into the metal and the disc gonna crack or get messed up, but it was very good. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.